Once upon a time, far, far away, the poor princess was coughing all night and all day. She followed the birds 'cause she needed relief, and right there it was on an ivy leaf. She kissed the frog, and instead of a man appeared a bottle of magical Prospan. Her cough was soothed. It worked indeed. Thanks to Prospan, the frog was freed. Now, little princess, time for your Prospan.
Suitable for all ages. Prospan Cough Syrup thins mucus, opens up airways, and decreases coughing spasms. Free the frog in your throat with Prospan.